It's been a long road, I think, but today, we basically, the business was handed over from Tata to Liberty Steel. So it's a big day. The uncertainty is removed, and we believe we bring quite a strong vision and focus for the business, for the future. Immediately it's about just making sure that we have a smooth handover and we get down to the business in hand. The team here at Rotherham and at Stocksbridge and the other parts of the business have done a fantastic job in getting to where we are today. They've been very patient as well. But now we really start on a different part of the journey, so it's really about stepping up our output. We're looking to increase output here at Rotherham. We're looking to reverse some of the decisions that have been made in recent history, and start to employ some more people on the ground as well. So it's a very positive day for Rotherham, I think.
I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to my 1,700 new colleagues. Please, welcome to Liberty House, welcome to my family, and most of all, welcome to a new era, a renaissance in British industry, which we are very confident about. There are sometimes moments in history which and in our lives when we remember, which form what I regard as a turning point, or where we acknowledge that we have reached a particular moment, a particular level. And for me, this is certainly one of those moments. And I'm proud. I'm proud, of course, of Liberty, but I'm also proud of something bigger. And that is something I would like to explain a little bit. So, I regard, of course, this business as a jewel in the British industry, a jewel in the crown in the British industry. And this is because this is not just a steel plant. This is a definition of the very strategy of Liberty, of what we call green steel. It is first of all, in a country which has always been a global leader. It is in a city, in an area which has been the heart of the steel industry in this country. This is a place where steel was invented, where industrial revolution started in the world, where the first trade unions were formed properly, and it was the first place to introduce steel and much of what we know as engineering in this world. And I believe that once again, it will be the place where steel is reinvented, where recycling is reinvented.
The green steel vision is important. I think there's a bit that has to happen to make it a reality. But essentially, green steel is about recycling. So here we have in one of the biggest recyclers here in Rotherham, in the UK, to take advantage of that opportunity as we see it. We think we can bring a different approach, a different process to actually ensure we can take advantage of that opportunity. But then it's about actually converting that steel in an efficient way into downstream products that add value and bring more value and bring more volume. So we believe that the output from Thriver can be increased, and we can re-enter some markets that we've actually withdrawn from in recent history. So there's lots of reasons to be optimistic, I think, at this moment in time.
I'm sure, with the government having professed that we will create a level playing field for energy-intensive industry between our European counterparts and UK, there can be a greater future for all the sites. There are now Tata Steel, Liberty Steel, British Steel, Celsa, and Sheffield Forge Masters. There are 5 legitimate players. So it's not one company that would be asking for anything. It is for the society. It is for the growth of the supply chains which are dependent on a foundation industry like steel, that we are all having a war cry to make it sustainable for the future. And I'm sure that in the hands of Liberty, in the hands of Sanjeev Gupta, this place will prosper, and we will all be very proud of the day that is today. Thank you very much.